Hi friends, I am your Joel John and now I have got a speaker, computer speaker. This is both wired and wireless speaker. Got it on PayTm Mall. Here's the back. I'm going to uncover this. And PayTm Mall, if you know about, most of you would be knowing about that, right? It's a e-wallet. E-wallet means you have a purse where you carry money. If you carry money electronically, that's digital money in a e-wallet through your credit card or bank account transfer, and then transfer it to other merchants and all those only things. You can even transfer to other people who have the same wallet. Like that, there are a lot of facilities, and there's also a shopping mall called as PayTm Shopping Mall. In that, I have done this purchase. It's basically a mini speaker for a computer I purchased because on these days I'm getting much tired sitting on computers for long, and I want some entertainment. And when it comes to entertainment, this is the scissor I'm going to use, and we have got the safety cover knife as well, and scissor also I have a safety cover. Safety is very important. So now we have got the place where to cut it. Here they have also cut it. Okay, I'm going to cut it over here. And having this speaker will help me to reduce the burden of wearing a headphone. This is too small speaker only because it's something like, it's a very portable and handy speaker. And the special features of the speaker I will explain you later. Now I have to cut off this wallet, so I need a knife. Taking out the knife and cutting it off. Yeah, tear it off. Using the knife. It's a very small one. Very tiny and very handy. Look at this, kind of a pocket speaker. So now I will also uncover the scissor and keep it there. So now still, yeah, it's just silver tape. Okay, here I got the speaker. I'm going to open this. This is the speaker, red color. I like this red color image, that's why I ordered this. I was confused between the Cerbronic speaker and this one. On that there is no red color, I like red. So we got this one. I'm trying to take out the clip. Yeah, the clip lock is taken out. It's having the company logo, so I will stick it somewhere. Stick it over here. Okay, now to take it out. Here also they have sticked again. Okay. This sticker also then I will tear. Yeah, this also I have teared it, and again I will place it here above this. Okay, this is about that ZYNC clip portable speaker with about 320-degree rotation clip is there. So this is wireless. You can use TF cards, the one which you use on mobile phones, the same one. And you have line wire as well. So everything should be inside this. The only concern I have is I don't know how to open this. Yeah, somehow I pull it out. So here there is a tray. Inside the tray the speaker is. Pulling it out in the tray. Yeah. Here this is the user manual. You'll see it later. And here, as I told you, it's a wired and wireless speaker. You have got the wire connection as well. So this is the speaker. See how cute it is. So tiny and good, and this is as the so this has two cables. So one is for charger. This is one for charging, and this is one for connecting. So now let me connect it to you with the sound and see how good the sound is. Then we can get into the speaker specification and all those. I think I can open this. Yeah, you can open this and you can clip it with it like this. So here you have the on off switch, and here you have mic, volume control, and phone calls on or off. Really good, yeah. Very cute. Okay, keep it like this. Keeping like this, it doesn't look safe. But I will do this. One side only the speaker, so I will keep like this, and then connect the cable. I have kept my computer ready. Okay. In the wireless problem is okay, so on. Just to play and see, I'll show you a sound. Just like that. This is from is the music good? This music is from my one of my video. Sea driver bullbug sea bull shock she sorry I'll come again. It's sea driver bull shock fish sea fish at Chennai, India, South India, Asia, and all those from in Chennai. On that video, I have put this music. Hear that again. So the music effect is really good in the speaker. It's also very portable. I like this so much. I can put it on my packet and go. That kind of an attractiveness this is having. And here we have I will take it out and show it to you again. Okay. This is a 4-watt speaker. Just enjoy the sound. So you can also connect it on Bluetooth. Okay. So this is the cable which I used to connect it with my computer system, and now I will just stop this. It could run right. I'm following it. Yeah. Let it run. Okay, so this is the very handy speaker I have got, and through this flip system, you can use it to clip it on your dress or something. Okay. So this clip is really strong. That's something good about it. And here you have a slot for your micro SD card and all those. Okay. So this is all short about that. This you have the cable, 5 watts charger cable, and here you have the inline. So this is pretty much about this speaker, and this is come from the company ZYNC model VK9. Input is about 5 watts to 1 ampere. And some blah 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 labels are there, and it's mentioned as made in PRC. I don't know what is that. Okay, so this is the speaker I have got, and now I have got this one I told you, right, charging cable, and this is the connector cable. So here I got the user manual. So play, pause, telephone button, everything is explained over here. Okay, so this is the manual, user manual. About that as well. Now some other features of that. So this price was something which was around 2,199. Yeah, you can see the same mentioned over here as well on the label. I don't know whether it's showing clearly or not. So 2,199 rupees inclusive of all tax. But I asked an offer on PayTm Mall. I got it just for 449 rupees. Okay, and this comes with wired and wireless mic. So this has Bluetooth connectivity as well. So you can add it on Bluetooth, portable Bluetooth speaker with AUX in and TF card reader as well. Okay, so you can give aux in as well. And mic is also there. So if you get a call when you are given aux in on when you are connected with the mobile phone, no need to go where your mobile phone is. You can just click the mic button and start speaking like you are speaking on a walkie-talkie, right? And then this comes with free shipping, and return and replacement is not allowed. So I cannot return this, but the quality is good, so I don't need to return this. And then cancel it, but before delivery I can cancel it anytime. Product type is portable speaker, and the company is ZYNC, ZYNC Noida, color is red, and it's a portable speaker, model K9. Model ID is clip, that's a clipping thing is there, right? But the quality is really good plastic. And it's a 4-watt power, and this box has one speaker, one AUX cable, that's the one I connected, right? And one power cable and one user manual. Power backup will be there for 4 to 6 hours if I charge fully, so that's a kind of good thing. And same as AUX connectivity, micro SD card slot, built-in microphone, automatic pause and resumes of music if there is a call in between, so that's another one advantage. Okay, and this is play for hands-free calls. Okay, and this is what I was talking about to you, and it was really a pleasant thing for me to show this to you. And okay friends, now to conclude with this video, what are the other videos which are coming up, which are online on this is like going to come up with the personality development topics and public health speeches on this, and about environment on this, and also to give a leadership kind of speech. We will be coming up with the organization developments and co-workers, how to behave in office, and all those kind of things are coming up on flow on this YouTube channel, because a lot of people are asking me to talk about leadership. And this is just with the interviewer stopping. Many of the calls I receive are from candidates for interview, very rarely for finance related things. Other than that, mostly for interview candidates. And they also come on chat, and they also say that you have to do something higher than what you are doing. You have to come up with leadership qualities, because in software companies and even on call centers, now I cannot say even on call centers, because they give a lot of importance to interview. So they also look for leadership skills. They ask questions how you will behave in office, and how you will communicate with your co-worker, and how you will influence your co-worker, how you will work with your team. Those kinds of questions are coming up. So I will give you speech on that. And also lot of complaints which comes in offices, or people don't have a proper hygiene practices. So that also I am going to talk about. And apart from that, to give a super leadership, Tirukkural we planned already before this year. Because of Corona, one of my book is left in my native, the reference book which I use. Another one book I cannot order it, so that's not coming out. The distribution is not there. Another one book I have purchased, and now that's just a Outlook book. So to start with, because we have planned to start it on this year, because of the sudden pandemic crisis, we cannot stop it all as a whole. So what I will do is, I will first we will introduce Thiruvalluvar as a great personality. As you all know, on Mondays we are coming up with personality videos, and the first one was none other than Kamala Harris, who is going to be the Vice President for United States of America, and her native is India, and it's Tamil Nadu. Her mother native is, her father is from Jamaica, which is an island, which is a very small island in Caribbean Sea, which is very near to USA. Okay, so this is all about her, and I have given a detailed video about her, so look at that as well. And then the second one will be about IIT Mr. Pradeep, and Tamil version of Kamala is also expected, because she's a Tamil woman, to give credit to her Tamil. So that will be coming on one day, and I will try to put the Thiruvalluvar video very soon, maybe in 1 or 2 weeks, and then general video about Tirukkural. Then once we get all the books, we can get into Tirukkural, because I want to, even if I do it late, I want to give my best on that, because I am going to explain about each and every chapter in Tirukkural, from the greatest poet in the world. That's also a great pride Tamil Nadu has, of having Thiruvalluvar from our state, who has contributed Tirukkural to the whole world. So that's a great management book, that's a life learning philosophy book, that's a psychological book, that's a leadership development book, and what's not. Everything is there. That's such a great treasure. And so definitely we have to talk about Tirukkural. So I will start with the introduction of Thiruvalluvar as a great personality, and then Tirukkural. Then once I get all the books, I will read that, prefer that, and I will be giving my own. Whatever the videos I do, I agree that I refer a lot of books, I read a lot to prepare, but I cannot give out the book names, because then again pattern issues will be there. But whatever the book, even if I say that I refer this book, that book alone I am not going to speak. I am going to read the book, understand, and write it on note and speak if it's a very dry topic, and if it's hard for me to remember, else I am going to, once that goes into my mind, it's going to become my knowledge, and it's going to come out of my own words. So I feel that you will be comfortable with that. If not, please comment, that's when I can improve. And then as usual, press the subscribe, share icon, and share this video with a lot of your friends, and press the thumbs up icon as a token of appreciation. Share your comments, that's when I can improve. And if you are financially wealthy, if you are rich, born with a silver spoon, kindly press the join icon and select a package which you can support me every month financially. And they are saying that there's option to withdraw this as well if you don't want to continue as a channel member. So if you want to do that, you can take a look at the option, because I don't know the option to guide you, because I'm not a paid member on any channel. I'm not wealthy enough, but still I expect you to support a lot so that I can become a full-time YouTube blogger and start doing research in my chemistry. Okay, it's time to say bye. It's your ZYNC signing off from you. Bye.